What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Paulie C coming at you with a special episode today. Somebody commented and asked, how do you get the Orbot Vibe upstairs? And I thought this would be the perfect time to do a quick video. I'm a little behind schedule, so I'm going to get through this job without filming. But check out these narrow stairs. Yes, narrow. So I picked a good set of stairs to really show you how easy it is to transport the Orbit or the Orbot Vibe, I should say, upstairs. If you look, the head is tilted in an upright position, and you could see it is the Orbot Vibe. If you're interested in this machine or any other products I use, click in the link in the description. It'll take you right to my main supplier. That pad just goes on to transport to protect that Velcro pad driver so it doesn't get smashed down. This is the handle which brings the armature back or forward. It's all the way up, which means the motor head cannot go in the downright position. See, it's locked up. So this makes the transition of weight very, very friendly on stairs. Because the head is not aiming down, the actual weight is going towards almost like the 90-degree angle, towards the back of the wheels. There's one, and keep in mind I'm doing this with one hand. I am filming with the other hand, so bear with me. I put one foot behind the other, and I just pull it up. And if I wasn't filming and had two hands, I'd be at the top of the stairs by now and starting my party. But I did want to show you, and I am going to show you the interesting point over the evolution of my experience with VLM and different floor machines. I started out with 3-inch wheels, went to a 5-inch wheel, went to a 8-inch wheel, finally to a 10-inch. And I talked to a guy who is a home builder, and I asked him, I said, what's the average height of a riser on a staircase? That's the part the wheel's resting on right now, the faceplate. And he says, the average home build, they're 9 inches. So when I was using the 8-inch wheel, I thought I had it made. It was okay until you came to a home that had the lip that hanged over the edge of the stair. The 8-inch would get stuck under that lip, and you would really have to finagle to get it to the top or to the next step. So the Orbot Vibe comes standard with these 10-inch wheels. See, I'll show you. See how much higher they are above the riser already? This means you just have to tip it back, put a little pressure, pulling, and it comes right up. And I think the Orbot Vibe is, I think it's, what is it, 62 or 60? It might be 80 pounds, I'm not sure, but it feels very light. I'm digging this machine. I actually really, really enjoy it. It feels lighter than my Swirly rotary machine, which I've been using for commercial jobs quite often. But for the person who commented, that's how I do it on stairs, at least with the Orbot Vibe. You can see the head is tilted in the upright position. It does have a little kickstand up under there, which is nice as well. But the key is the 10-inch wheel. So if you have a floor machine and you want to be able to get upstairs, you're going to have to figure out how to put 10-inch wheels on it. I recommend follow Robin. He has a YouTube channel called OxyDry, and he's done a modification on his rotary machine and put 10-inch wheels similar to the ones that I have here. The days of actually doing modifications for me are over. I like to get it right out of the box, at least for now. The Orbot Vibe is out of the box perfect. I'll take you on a quick tour. I just finished pre-vacuuming. Look at those vacuum lines. I did use the Hoover Hush Tone. Oh yeah. I do have a couple areas that have some dark staining where maybe they had a sofa or chair and their feet were constantly in that one position. But I picked up about 2.5 bags. It felt like sand, which is pretty amazing. And I do have that little hallway area and 3 bedrooms. There is a bathroom back here that's carpeted. So living room, family room, stairs, and the kitchen is carpeted with some blue commercial carpet. Check out that beautiful day. All right, just wanted to share that video for the commenter who was interested in how to get the machine up the stairs. All right, hope everybody has a fantastic day. I'm going to get caught up on my schedule, doing what I love, and I'll see you in my next episode.